Some jobs are dirty, some are dangerous, and some take you to places few ever go, way up, higher than most people can even imagine. I'm talking about a realm where the air is so thin you can barely breathe, the sky turns pitch black, and the curve of the earth stretches out beneath you like a living map. Most folks will never set foot, or even a wing up there, but for the RQ-4 Global Hawk, this is just another day at the office. This remarkable piece of engineering soars higher than any commercial jetliner, staying aloft for more than a full day at a time, and capturing images and data with astonishing clarity. It's a spy, a scout, and a sentinel, all seamlessly combined into one unmanned high-tech package. The Global Hawk does its job without a single person on board. No cockpit, no crew, just pure autonomous flight. It's what's known as a high-altitude, long-endurance unmanned aerial vehicle, or UAV, a marvel of modern aviation. Designed to reach places humans can't easily go, it can stay there for hours upon hours, quietly observing, gathering intelligence, and waiting for the perfect moment to act. Imagine a bird with a wingspan even wider than a Boeing 737, yet with a body as light as a small car. Built for endurance, not for show. It's engineered for maximum efficiency at extreme altitudes, sipping fuel so it can loiter over a target area for more than 30 hours without needing to land or refuel. The Global Hawk can launch from California, cross an entire ocean, scan a distant territory, and return home, all while a pilot and team analyze its data from thousands of miles away. The whole idea is to gather the best, most up-to-date information possible, without ever putting a human pilot at risk. While satellites can only pass over a location for a few minutes at a time, the Global Hawk provides a constant, unblinking eye in the sky, watching for as long as needed. It observes situations as they unfold in real time, tracks movements on the ground, and even listens in on critical communications, providing a complete picture. It's a tough, demanding job that requires precision, patience, and some of the most advanced technology ever built for the skies. Essential to modern defense and intelligence, even if most of us never see it happening, far above our heads in the stratosphere. The Global Hawk is a testament to what's possible when brilliant minds come together to solve some of the world's toughest challenges, pushing the boundaries of what unmanned flight can achieve. The Global Hawk is a professional information gatherer, working marathon 30-hour shifts without a break, tirelessly collecting data from the skies. It's what's called a high-altitude, long-endurance HAIL, Intelligence, Surveillance, and Reconnaissance Platform, or ISR for short. Operating at 60,000 feet, it soars far above the weather, commercial airliners, and most other air traffic, giving it a unique vantage point. Built for endurance, it can stay airborne for over 34 hours at a stretch, watching stories unfold below. It monitors coastlines for suspicious activity, tracks troop movements in real time, and assesses disaster damage after hurricanes or earthquakes. The ISR part, Intelligence, Surveillance, and Reconnaissance, is its mission core. It gathers specific information, continuously watches areas of interest, and explores vast regions to find out what's really happening on the ground. Using powerful sensors, it maps land in high detail, intercepts signals from afar, and sees through clouds, fog, and even total darkness, thanks to advanced imaging technology. The primary customer is the military, which relies on it for up-to-the-minute battlefield intelligence and situational awareness. But it's also used by civilian agencies for climate monitoring, environmental research, and disaster mapping after floods or wildfires. It provides a clear, accurate, and timely picture of ground happenings, no matter the mission or the conditions. It's a tool for understanding the world, whether it's a battlefield, a disaster area, or a remote coastline. Its unmatched endurance and high-altitude capabilities make it invaluable for persistent long-term surveillance missions. It's the ultimate stakeout vehicle, able to keep watch for days with a much better view than any human observer. Think of it as a flying Swiss Army knife for information gathering, versatile, reliable, and always ready for the next mission. The Global Hawk isn't winning beauty pageants, it's all function, no frills. Its incredibly long, thin wings generate massive lift, allowing high-altitude efficiency. The fuselage, resembling a dolphin, houses advanced sensors and communication equipment. The engine sits on top, protecting it from debris and keeping the underside clear for sensors. A V-tail design creates less drag, enhancing range and endurance. Every piece is a compromise between weight, strength, and performance. The airframe is as light as possible, maximizing airtime and sensor capacity. It's a perfect example of form following function. Strange looking, but every component serves a specific difficult job. The Global Hawk's brain and eyes make it a marvel of technology. Its integrated sensor suite, ISS, is a collection of tools for various missions. The synthetic aperture radar, SAR, is its all-weather, day and night superpower. SAR creates detailed images through clouds, fog, and darkness. Electro-optical and infrared sensors provide high-resolution and thermal imaging. The Global Hawk is a flying communication hub, streaming data in near real time. Analysts can see what the drone sees and retask it on the fly. This constant connection makes it a vital part of a global information network. It's a sophisticated tool for seeing, listening, and sensing the world below. A true marvel of modern technology. Comparing a small consumer drone to a Global Hawk is like comparing a go-kart to a Formula One car. The difference in scale, capability, and purpose is enormous. The Global Hawk operates in a completely different universe, boasting a massive wingspan and the ability to soar at high altitudes for extended periods. It flies at 60,000 feet, well above most threats and far out of reach of commercial air traffic, giving it a unique vantage point. When compared to the legendary U-2 Dragon Lady, the Global Hawk stands out because it has no pilot on board, so it faces no human fatigue limitations. It can stay airborne for over 30 hours at a stretch, limited only by its fuel supply, not by the endurance of a human pilot. Unlike satellites, which follow predictable orbits, the Global Hawk is unpredictable and can loiter over targets for as long as needed, adapting to mission demands. It delivers a constant, real-time video feed that satellites simply can't match, providing up-to-the-minute intelligence. When compared to the MQ-9 Reaper, which is armed for attack missions, the Global Hawk is unarmed and dedicated solely to gathering information and intelligence. It remains far from the front lines, using its advanced sensors to observe and collect data from a safe distance, minimizing risk. The Reaper is a tactical asset, operating at lower altitudes, while the Global Hawk is strategic, providing a big-picture view of the entire battlefield. The Global Hawk fills a critical gap between fleeting satellite glimpses and the limited endurance of piloted aircraft, offering persistent coverage. It's a unique tool for persistent, wide-area surveillance, able to monitor vast regions for hours on end. Acting as a strategic eye in the sky, it offers a comprehensive, real-time view for commanders making critical decisions. The Global Hawk is truly a game-changer for surveillance missions, revolutionizing how intelligence is gathered and analyzed. It's a vital asset not just in military operations, but also in civilian roles like disaster relief and search and rescue, proving its versatility. The Global Hawk stands as a testament to advanced engineering and strategic capability, pushing the boundaries of what unmanned flight can achieve. The Global Hawk isn't just tech in a hangar, it's active worldwide. It's been a workhorse for the U.S. Air Force and allies for over 2 decades. In Iraq and Afghanistan, it surveyed vast terrains, providing invaluable situational awareness. It's also crucial in humanitarian aid and disaster relief. After Japan's 2011 earthquake and tsunami, it assessed reactor conditions and mapped devastation. In maritime surveillance, it scans thousands of square miles of ocean. The U.S. Navy's RQ-4 Triton version tracks ships and monitors strategic waterways. NASA uses it for scientific research, studying weather patterns and climate change. It flies into hurricanes and over polar ice, gathering critical data. The Global Hawk's versatility extends beyond spying. It's a tool for discovery, helping us understand our planet better. A machine built to fly high and long, serving multiple roles. It's a silent guardian watching over the world's shipping lanes, a vital asset in both military and civilian applications. The Global Hawk's biggest advantage is its unmanned design. It flies dangerous missions without risking human lives. Commanders can take more risks with an unmanned asset. If shot down, it's a financial loss, not a loss of life. This freedom opens new possibilities for intelligence gathering. The human factor is removed from endurance limitations. The Global Hawk provides uninterrupted surveillance, critical for detecting changes. A team operates it from a ground control station far from danger. Pilots fly it with a keyboard and mouse. Sensor operators control cameras and radar. Analysts interpret data, turning it into actionable intelligence. It's a smarter, safer way to conduct dangerous missions. A different kind of dirty job requiring focus and technical skill. The Global Hawk changes the equation entirely, a vital tool in modern military operations. For every Global Hawk in the sky, a small army supports it on the ground. Maintenance crews keep the complex aircraft in perfect order. They work long hours, ensuring the aircraft is flawless before flight. Mission planners design safe, efficient flight paths. They solve complex puzzles with global security implications. Data analysts turn terabytes of data into actionable intelligence. They connect the dots, giving meaning to the information. It's a team effort from the hangar to the stratosphere. The unsung heroes make the Global Hawk's missions possible, a testament to teamwork and dedication. In a world of advancing tech, the Global Hawk remains relevant. Persistent, wide-area surveillance is more critical than ever. The platform has been continuously upgraded to meet new threats. It bridges the gap between satellites and piloted aircraft. A force multiplier providing intelligence for entire operations. It offers a common operating picture for military coordination. In crises, it's often the first asset deployed, a foundational piece of modern security. The Global Hawk is a symbol of human ingenuity, a testament to engineers, maintainers, and operators. It provides clarity in a complicated world, a job that will always matter. The Global Hawk is more than a drone. It's a strategic asset, a vital tool for understanding and responding to global challenges.